Thank you. I request us to arise and welcome His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, who is being received by a team led. His Excellency is making his way, and so is the team, and we will remain standing.
Trying to empty the waters in the Lake Victoria using a mug. Scoop the water using a mug, you pour it away. Your Excellency, until thy kingdom come, it will never happen. The water in Lake Victoria will remain the same. So it is with backlog. And yet we can make a difference. And we're not being unreasonable in this. We understand that we make these demands against competing demands, competing national demands. But we think at least you come out to show that you understand the rule. 1 trillion shillings. A few years ago it was 4 trillion. It's galloping now. It's come to 11 trillion. Your Excellency, if the judiciary budgetary provision could permit me to recruit 20 High Court judges annually, in the midterm, we would reduce this elephant in the room to 0. But when we recruit 10 judges of the High Court, it's like trying to empty the waters in the Lake Victoria using a mug. Scoop the water using a mug, you pour it away. Your Excellency, until thy kingdom come, it will never happen. The water in Lake Victoria.
But as a target, we are going to, I think it is achievable. But this is because of where we are now. Because remember, we do not have a budget of 45 trillion. It was much less in the past. So in the past, it was, now we may be able to do it now if we plan better, because we have a bit more money. Although we've got other things also to do. So I think I will meet CJ, meet the Speaker. Of course, I represent my constituency, the freedom fighters, the armed forces, we who have been fighting without money, and then and I want you, all you are lawyers, all right, but I want you to share our ideological view, to be aware. Even if you don't support, but to be aware that these characters think like this. Are they right? Are they wrong? You put it in your head, so that we don't again miss the bus. Africa has missed the bus for the last 600 years because of mistakes. This chaos in Africa is not accidental. When you hear that the French army, what is French army doing? That French army is guarding the Burkina Faso, guarding Mali. Why? Why? What are you, Burkina, whatever they call them? What are you doing? Why can't you defend your country? Here, I refuse. I've been here. You know, I've been here for some years. You remember that? Some foreigners came. They wanted me to sign what they called SOFA, Status of Forces Agreement. That when foreign armies are here, they should be handled like this, they should be handled like that. So I said, first of all, I don't need foreign armies here. I don't need any foreign army here. I don't need it. You come train, go away. What are you doing here? Or I will go and train there and come back. Finish. But if we are those who want to be here, they said, I said, they brought a draft. In the draft, they were saying that if a foreign soldier who is in Uganda commits an offense, he can't be tried here. He must be taken back to his country where he must be tried. Oh, I said, beg your pardon? I said, okay, I can think about that. Maybe fighting in the bar, we can let him go and be tried in California or wherever. But you kill a Ugandan, or you rape a Ugandan woman, and we take you away. No way. You must be tried here. Oh, this is very difficult. This is our constitution. But this is ours also. You have heard that we have a constitution also. Madame, Excellence, Mademoiselle. Our constitution says that if you kill a person, after you die, and this person must be tried here. Then, at one time, because I often tried to compromise, I said, okay, let us have a reciprocal arrangement, so that when some Ugandan soldiers are somewhere, they also do something, they are brought back. No. Are you clever people, or are you something else? Wabatwana Bageze, oba kibiri kirala, kubanga obutali mugezi oba. So, we have never signed a single so far. It's now 37 years, we were 37, never. We reject subservience completely. When can you? So, should we say that a country without money will have no justice? Is that really what you are saying? That a country without enough money shall have no justice? Me, my answer is, when we were in the bush, controlling the Royal Triangle, we were having very serious justice without money. So again, I have a proof of that. In where I was the Chief Justice, I was both Chief Justice and President. I was combining both. We had justice but no money. Just like I cannot agree, that one I cannot agree, for sure, because I know it. And I have told all these people that it's not acceptable to say that a country cannot defend itself because they have no money. We should defend ourselves, money or no money. What we need is some food, ammunition, the gun. Clothes are optional. If they are there, we put the money. If not, we... So really, I need time to come and really be part of the meeting, not just come and what we call passing by people in our local language. How do you say it? What is French army doing? That French army is guarding the Burkina Faso, guarding Mali. Why? What are you, Burkinabe, whatever they call them? What are you doing? Why can't you defend your country? Here, I refuse. I've been here. You know, I've been here for some years. You remember that? To be guarded by the UN as if we are imbeciles. I can't be guarded by the UN. UN will never come here in Uganda to guard us. So we can defend ourselves. Money or no money. And we have proved it. If you want to tell me that you Museveni were just talking, I can tell you that I have been leading an army for the last 50 years. From 1971, I've been leading an armies. Most of the time without money. When you say for Lhasa, it was an army, it could kill you. in case you are not sure. But we had no money, but we had an army. NRA, this UPDF, you see them, they have no houses. They have not been having houses. They have been staying in these grass huts, what they call Mama India Pori. So, I have been leading an army for the last 50 years, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 10, 50. Most of the time, either without money or with very little money. So, what happened? What do we do? I want to be part of this meeting, not just the other one, Karakara. This Karakara is not good. I want to be part of the meeting. So next time you arrange, please, my staff, don't put it on the cabinet day, number one. But number two, my staff should not put other things, so I Karakara. That's why we are not harmonizing. We are doing well, but we can harmonize much better. Much better. Thank you very much. What do I do now? Do I open the conference or what? Oh, I declare the conference open.